101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia visits any inspiration. Good evening, smart listener, and welcome back to our English learning program, Smart Up Your Life, with me, Riva Majid, as your host, and also my friends from BPEC Makassar. So happy to see you again tonight, guys. Hi.
Hi.
So, how are you? How's life? And how was your day?
Couldn't be better.
Oh yeah, even though today is
Raining.
rainy day
Yeah.
and the sky is more cloudy today, but yes, I'm so happy to see your colorful outfit like a rainbow
Yeah,
after
rainbow,
the rain.
because after the rain, yeah, that's why I'm wearing rainbow today.
All right, smart listener. Well, we will invite you to join our conversation tonight. You can join our conversation through WhatsApp on 0811 and also you can join our live streaming on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. But before I tell you the topic of our conversation, I will introduce my friends from BPEC Makassar. The first one is Mrs.
Dewi.
Dewi. Hi, Miss Dewi.
Hi.
Okay, so beside Mrs. Dewi, we have Mr.
Ichal.
Mr. Ichal. Hi, Mr. Ichal.
Hi.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
And also we have the yellow man.
I'm almost wearing yellow today.
Yeah. We have Mr.
Richard,
Richard. So the last one is Mr.
Mr. Budi.
Mr. Budi. So we have three men and one lady,
Yeah.
rainbow lady tonight. We have Mrs. Dewi, Mr. Icha, Mr. Richard, and also Mr. Budi. Well, tonight is I'm very excited actually because tonight we are going to know what's the favorite daily activity from each other, from every one of us, right?
Yeah.
So if you because if we want to know how the personality of the person, we can see it from the daily activity, right? Because the activity is I believe it describes person, right? So tonight our topic is going to discuss about the daily activity. Well, so but before we get to know the daily activity from my friends, from everyone, from each friends here, we I think we have to know first what BPC is. So please introduce BPC to smart listener. The youngest one, maybe. Who's the youngest one here?
Not the youngest one.
Oh.
I'm the old one,
Okay.
actually.
So, Mr. Richel, would you like to introduce BPC, please?
Okay, thank you very much for the opportunity. Smart listener, BPEC is it's acronym of Beteng Panua English Club. So it's the oldest English community in Makassar. So if you want to learning about English, about grammar, about how to speak English, just come to our come to our weekly meeting,
Yep.
or follow our Instagram on Kak Dewi.
Yeah, BPC is Instagram.
Yes.
Okay, BPC Makassar, right?
Yes, BPC Makassar.
So,
Yeah.
is there another activity that's very how to say interesting to join?
On Sunday, yeah, it's
On Sunday.
established on Sunday. It's starting from
Uh-uh.
10
Yes.
until 2 on lunchtime, and there are a lot of items there, like quiz, some quiz games, and discussing and debating and building skill and entertaining also, and some announcement there.
Oh,
You are not going to be disappointed to join this club meeting, because this club meeting is the biggest and the oldest in
Okay.
Makassar.
So, and you will not be bored, yeah?
And
If you-
everyone it's free of charge.
Yes, it's free of charge,
Yeah.
and you can maximize your skill
Yeah.
Yeah.
and in this opportunity, right, to join their weekly meeting and to improve your English skill.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much. That's all, BPEC Makassar. So hopefully, smart listener, you can join their weekly meeting every Sunday at 9 a.m. to 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Right. All right. And that's one of the activity that I can say this the positive activity that we can do in once in a week, yeah. But how about the daily activity that you are doing it every day from the Monday to Sunday and repeat 24/7. Okay.
24 to 7
Yes.
in a week.
Before I ask you guys, let's say hi to our friend. Hi, Mr. Risan.
Hello, smart listener.
Okay.
Hello, my reliable
Yes.
host, Mr. Rifa. How are you?
I'm laughing and kicking. Well, so who wants to share the daily activity that daily routine lah.
Okay, ladies first.
Oh, ladies. Why don't you start
As
the
the youngest.
conversation?
As the youngest.
Okay, first of all, I will talk about my unemployment daily activities because I'm unemployment right now.
Oh,
I'm still on the
congratulations.
college, yeah.
Wow.
Oh,
Okay, you know, in the morning I wake up maybe around 7:30, and then I just wash my face because it's online. I mean, online school. And then
Okay.
after I wash, I went to my desk, and then open my laptop, start the Zoom meeting. And then after the first class ended, I went. I have a breakfast for maybe. I just have a breakfast for 50 minutes, and then I went to cycling. Sometimes I went to CPI or Karebosi, and then just sightseeing with my bicycle, and then back to home because I need to increase my muscle, so I need to have a leg workout every day.
oh.
Never skip a leg day, okay?
Okay,
And
so
then after I went home, maybe I just take a seat first and drink some water, yeah.
yes.
After drink some water, I open my laptop again and attend my
Continue the next
list, yeah.
class. Yeah.
Yes, and then after that I have a lunch at 12 p.m. or maybe around 1 p.m. and then I take a bath, and then take a rest for maybe 1.5 hours a day for my body because I need to take a rest after have a daily activity for for in the morning. And then after I wake up, I need to complete my assignment again. I need to do my assignment until night, and then I play some game with my friends, and then I went to the bed. Yeah, that's my daily activity for unemployment right now.
Okay. So, what can you conclude from the day from Richard's daily activity, guys? What's conclusion? And maybe from his daily activity we can right, we can find, oh, Richard is the person who love blah blah blah. So-
He's a healthy person, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Because he's doing exercise.
That's one. The first point, healthy person. Next point, another conclusion maybe. Okay.
He has such a wonderful daily activity.
Oh yes, yes. If I can conclude, your daily activity describing that you are a good student who will love to work out, right?
Such a great thing for me, yeah.
Oh. All right. Well, before we continue to another person, sport listener, we have to take a break for a while, so don't go anywhere.